Hi, I'm happy to explain the core components of virtual machine and how I will use virtualization in business setting. A virtual machine or VM is basically a complete computer system that runs inside another physical computer. It looks like or feels like a real machine, but it's created through software. There are four main components that make a VM work. The first component is hypervisor. This is the most important part, and it's the software that sits between physical hardware and virtual machine. Its job is to divide and manage the CPU, memory storage, and networking so the multiple VMs can safely run on one server at the same time. And businesses is usually use a type 1 hypervisor like VMware and how do you call it? ESXi or Microsoft Hyper-V, because it runs directly on the hardware, which gives better performance and stronger security. The second component is virtual hardware. Even though it's not physical, the VM sees the virtual version of CPU, RAM, network card, and hardware. This is very flexible. If the VM needs more memory or storage, I can increase in the settings without replacing any parts or physical parts. This make virtual machine fast and easy to adjust. The third part is the GUS operating system. This is the OS that run inside the VM, like Windows or Linux. Each VM has its own OS and it is fully isolated. If one VM crashes or gets malware, it does not affect the others. This isolation is the one biggest advantages of virtualization. The final component is virtual disk. This is basically a file that stores everything for the VM. The operating system, applications, settings, and data. Because its job is like it's easy to back up, move, or copy to another server. That makes virtualization very helpful for business continuity. How I will use virtualization in business setting. There are several practical ways I will use virtualization to solve real-world businesses or real-world business problems. The first one is server consolidation. Many companies have older physical servers that run single tasks and waste a lot of resources. With virtualization, I can combine those workloads onto the one powerful server by running multiple VMs. This reduces hardware costs, save energy, and simplifies the management. Second, I will use virtualization for disaster recovery because each VM is basically a single file. It can be backed up regularly, even replicated offsite if the main server fails. I can quickly restore the VM on another machine. This dramatically reduces downtime and keep the business running smoothly. Third, the virtualization is great for testing and development. If the company needs to test a new software update, patch, or configuration, I can create a separate just for that or just for it. If something goes wrong, it doesn't affect the production system. This makes the business more secure and more flexible. Finally, or lastly, virtualization helps with scaling. If the company grows and needs more servers, I can create new VMs in just few minutes or just few hours. Just very fast. There's no need to wait more for new hardware. This helps business respond quickly to new projects or increase demand. So, in summary, the core components virtual machine include hypervisor, the virtual hardware, the guest operating system, and virtual disk. And in the virtual setting, I will use virtualization to save money, improve disaster recovery, support safe testing, and scale quickly. Virtualization is a powerful tool to allow businesses to operate effectively and efficiently. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.